Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our today's topic is parts of speech, and in this lecture we will cover all the types of parts of speech. And in English traditional grammar there are 8 different types of parts of speech, and in this lecture we will cover all those types, the basic concept of all those types. So without any further ado, let's get started. And if you guys have any question, you guys can ask me in the comment section. So, starting from the very basic, what is parts of speech? Parts of speech basically are the basic types of the word that are used to form sentences in English. Each word in a sentence plays a specific role, and that role is called parts of speech. In simple word, in English sentences, there are some basic types of the word, and these basic types of the word plays a very specific role, and that role is called its parts of speech. There are 8 different types of parts of speech according to traditional grammar, and according to some modern grammars, there are 9 different types of parts of speech. But in this lecture, we will cover 8 different types of parts of speech. So let's discuss all these types. First of all, for very famous and the very first type is noun. You guys have already studied a lot about what is noun, what is meant by noun. So noun basically is a name of person, place, thing, or an idea. Like for example, in a sentence you have studied a sentence, and if there exists a name of person, name of a place, or name of a thing, or name of an idea, it means all these words are considered as noun. For example, if you focus on the example almas, which is a name of girl, a happiness, which is an idea or an emotion or a feeling, Lahore, which is a place, a chair, which is a thing. For example, if you look into this is the girl, and the word girl is considered as noun. Why? Because it is a name of person, and the girl is very excited, and the girl is very happy, and this happiness is considered as a noun. Not a word happy, the word happiness is considered as a noun. Okay, our next type, or sorry, not a next type. If you focus on this slide, there are the different sentences, and if you focus on the sentences, you definitely find out what is noun and what are the words which are considered as noun. For example, if you focus on the very first sentence, the dog barked very loudly. The dog barked loudly. Here the word dog is considered as noun. Why? Because it is a name of thing or an animal. Sentence number 2, Sarah is reading a book. Here the word Sarah and the book is considered as noun. Why? Because Sarah is a name of person and book is a name of thing. If you focus on the sentence number 3, we went to a park yesterday. Here the word park is considered as noun. Why? Because it is a name of place. The next sentence is happiness is very important in life. Here the word happiness is considered as noun. Why? Because it is an idea or a feeling. The next sentence is the car stopped at light. Here the word car and the light is considered as noun because these are the name of things. So all these words that I have highlighted are considered as noun. Why? Because these are the name of person, place, idea, or the thing. So pause this video and the focus on all these sentences, then you and recall what is meant by noun, and then you guys definitely get better understanding about noun. Our next type of parts of speech is pronoun. You guys have already studied about pronoun. Pronoun basically are such a word which we used in place of noun. So a pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Why there is a need to use pronoun when we have already noun? We use pronouns to avoid repetition because we don't have to use all the time the same word, same word. We use different kind of words to avoid repetition. For example, if I say Ali is a boy, Ali is a good boy, so I don't have to repeat the word Ali. I can definitely use pronoun in the place of the noun. So for example, focus on the example, she he, she, it, they, who are considered as pronoun because they are used at the name of um, nouns. To avoid repetition, they, them, he or she are also pronouns. Our next type of parts of speech is verb. You guys have already studied about verb basically in a sentence, the word which shows the action or the state of being is considered as verb. What is state of being? There are different kind of sentences, like if we say he is a boy, he is sad. Here the word is not doing any kind of action, it is describing the state of being. It means if a word shows the action or describing the state of being, it is considered as verb. If you focus on the example run, is, eat, think, all these words are considered as verb. Why? Because either they are showing any action or they are showing the state of being. There are three different types of the verb: action verb, linking verb, or helping verb. Action verb are those verbs which shows the action. For example, if I say he is writing a letter, in this or he writes a letter, in this sentence the word write is describing the action, so that is why it is considered as action verb. And linking verb are those verb which link the two words. For example, if I say he is a boy or he seems happy, here the word seems is considered as linking verb. Why? Because it is joining the two words. And helping verb, in any sentence, helping verb are those words which help the verb to carry out their specific function. So our next type is adjective. Adjective basically those word which modifies or describe the quality of noun or a pronoun. Adjective are always used with nouns or pronoun, and they modify or describe the quality of noun and pronoun. For example, blue, tall, interesting. And they always questions the answers. What kind of questions, like what kind, which one, how many. If I say what kind of boy Ali is, it means I am asking about the quality of Ali. So adjective answered the questions like what kind, how many, which one. Our next part of speech is adverb. Adverb basically those word which describes or modifies the verb, adjective, or another adverb. It means adverbs are always used with verb, adjectives, or another adverb. Adverb modifies the quality of verb, adjective, or another adverb. Examples are like quickly, very, always. If you focus on the given example, he runs very quickly. Here the word very and the quickly are considered as adverb. Why? The quickly modifying the verb run, and the very is considered as adverb. Why? Because it is modifying the adverb quickly. Our next part of speech is preposition. Preposition, it means those words which describe the position. For example, these are the words which show relationship between nouns and pronoun. For example, if we say the book is on the table, or if I say it is a book which is on the table, here the word on is describing a relationship between noun and pronoun. Or there are other kinds of the example like on, under, with, from. All these words are considered as preposition. You guys will get better understanding when we have another video on specifically on the topic of preposition, and which I will upload inshallah very soon. And in this specifically in this lecture, you guys will get the basic understanding about what is noun and what is preposition and all that. So our next type of parts of speech is conjunction. Conjunctions basically those words which connect word, phrases, or clauses. For example, if I say Noor and Iman are going to school, here the word and is connecting two words, Noor and Iman. It means these are the words which connect words, phrases, or the clauses. Our next type of parts of speech is interjection. Sometimes in your life you are either happy, you are sad, or you are excited. In such in such situations you uttered different kind of word, and these words that express your feelings or your emotions are considered as interjections. And for interjections we use exclamation mark. For example, here's a girl who is very excited and she said wow. It means this word wow is considered as interjection. Examples like oh, wow, ouch, yeah, yay are considered as interjection. So with this interjection our topic has ended. This is all about our today's lecture.